Recovering deleted messages on Skype can be challenging, but there are a few methods you can try. Follow these steps to attempt to retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check Skype's archive. Open Skype and navigate to the chat where the messages were deleted. Sometimes, messages may not be deleted but archived. Scroll through the chat history to see if the messages are still there. Step 2. Use Skype's search function. In the Skype app, use the search bar to look for specific keywords or phrases from the deleted messages. This may help you locate the messages if they are still available in the chat history. Step 3. Check your email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for Skype, check your email for any messages that may have been sent to you. Sometimes, important messages are sent as notifications, and you might find the information you need there. Step 4. Restore from backup. If you regularly back up your device, check if you have a backup that includes your Skype data. Restore your device from the backup to recover the messages. Be cautious, as this may overwrite your data. Step 5. Contact Skype support. If all else fails, reach out to Skype support for assistance. They may have additional tools or methods to help you recover deleted messages, depending on your account and situation. If you follow these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on Skype. Good luck!